Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some DIY pamper steps that I do usually on the weekends because that's when I wash my hair. So I make like an entire pamper session out of it. This is kind of specifically targeted towards the monsoons. I have actually done a very similar video last year, but the products that I used and the techniques that I used last year were quite different. Of course, it's been a year, so a lot has changed since then. So I thought, why not do like an updated version? Because for this monsoons, I've been doing a lot of like DIYing, specifically for like my body, my face, and all of that. So I thought, why not share it with you guys? So yeah, let's just get started with today's video. So let's start with step number 1, which is oiling my hair. Now, especially in the monsoons, oiling my hair is such a must. Otherwise too, I make it a point to oil my hair, but I'm gonna be honest, there are times when I'm way too lazy to apply oil in my hair, and that is when I use a hair mask. And the hair mask that I have been loving recently is the Mamaearth's onion hair mask. Now this obviously has some onion oil in it, and it also has organic bamboo vinegar. I have loved the tea tree hair mask for a while now, and I've been recently using this onion hair mask for 2 weeks now, and I am gonna say I really like it. Like, if I could recommend one like Mamaearth product, definitely try this one out. It makes my hair super soft, super manageable, frizz free, and also calms my scalp. Mamaearth products are chemical free and all natural, and also they are plastic positive, so they recycle more plastic than they use. You can use my code Mridul20 to get a 20% off on mamaearth.in, and you can also purchase this product on Nykaa and Amazon. In the meanwhile, I go to my kitchen and start making like my DIYs. So the first one, I think let's start with talking about body scrub. I really like exfoliating my body, especially in the monsoons. Like, I feel like my skin just gets really funky and really weird during the monsoons, so a nice body scrub is what I really need. And the body scrub that I'm going to be sharing with you guys is like my ultimate all-time favorite. I've been using this for like years and years now. The 3 basic ingredients that you're going to need are, first of all, easily available in your kitchen, and it's like a very easy recipe. So the first thing that you're going to need is some sugar. I usually like to run it in the mixer to make it less coarse. The second thing that you're going to need is some coffee powder, and the third thing is some honey. And I like to mix the 3 together. You want it to be like a little bit of a runny sort of a texture, and all I simply do is I take it and massage it into my skin, and it makes my skin so amazing and so soft. And as a bonus, you're gonna smell delicious, kind of like a sweet cupcake almost. You could totally use this scrub on your face as well. I personally don't use it on my face because I have super oily and acne prone skin, so I don't like to trigger it. So for my face, what I like to do is usually I like to have a papaya, and whatever like the skin is left, I like to massage it onto my skin. So as far as I remember, papaya has vitamin A and vitamin C, and it has this enzyme which is called papain. I remember this from school. Somehow it's like stuck to me and I still remember it. But it's really good for your skin. It helps you lighten your dark spots, gives you more even skin tone. So that's what I've been using since the past 2 weeks, I believe. That's because I have papaya at home. But whatever fruit I have at home, I just like to eat it as well and then apply it on my face as well. So you can do that. It really doesn't matter what fruit you're doing. Everything that is good like to intake, it's gonna be good to apply topically as well. Now the last and final step is taking care of your feet. I think that is like the most ignored part of your body in general as well. So I make sure, especially during the monsoons, to like really cut my nails super short, and I also don't apply nail polish during the monsoons. I just kind of let my nails breathe. That's just something I've been doing. It's kind of like a tradition ki monsoons aaya, nail polish is out. Like, I remove all the nail polish from my feet. And another thing that I do, so when I'm in the shower, I'll fill the tub up with some really nice warm or hot water, really depends on your preference, and I'll take like a pinch of, not a pinch, a muthi of like salt. I've heard that Epsom salt is a lot better compared to like regular salt, but I just don't have Epsom salt at home, and I think like regular salt is gonna be fine. So I take that, I put it in the water, and I soak my feet while I'm like washing my hair, applying conditioner, doing my body wash, doing my body scrub. So my legs are kind of like cleansing, and it's really relaxing as well, and it's just going to be like a really nice antibacterial wash for your legs. Other than that, nothing has really changed when it comes to my hair. I have an hair care routine up. I still follow the same one, so I'll link that in the description box below. And yeah, that's it for today's video. That's my mini pamper routine. It's very easy to follow. Like, it's not too complicated, it doesn't have too many steps, it's quick. I think I can do like the entire thing in like an hour, minusing like the amount of time I have to let the oil sit in my hair. But like the entire process of getting into the shower, scrubbing my body, soaking my feet, doing my face mask, washing my hair, it doesn't take more than an hour. So I mean, I think you can totally invest an hour every week taking care of yourself, and it's just a fun thing to do. So yeah, I hope this was helpful, it was fun, and as always, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Click on the little bell to get notified every single time I post a new video. Follow me on my Instagram and follow Simba Lifestyle, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.